Disappointment for several families whose loved ones were shot and killed by local police officers. The LA County DA's office has announced it won't bring charges against the officers involved. One of those shootings happened in Inglewood, and that's where KCAL's Jeff Nguyen is live for us. Jeff?
Juan, so this controversial shooting happened right in front of that bus stop right there after a couple was found passed out in the middle of the road. And now prosecutors say that they don't have enough evidence to charge 5 officers involved.
Just hurt, just like, man, I just came past Manchester and Inglewood.
It's been 6 years since Trisha Michael lost her twin sister, Keisha Michael, who was shot and killed by Inglewood police. On Wednesday, the LA County District Attorney's Office declined to file charges against the officers involved.
Not prosecuting these officers, it's like a slap in the face.
In the DA's report, prosecutors called Inglewood PD's investigation incomplete, but said their review found there is insufficient evidence to prove beyond a reasonable doubt the use of deadly force was unreasonable. The case goes back to 2016 when Michael and her boyfriend, Marquinton Sandlin, were found passed out in a car that had been parked in the middle of Manchester Boulevard near Inglewood Boulevard. When officers got there, they tried for about 40 minutes to wake the couple up with lights, sirens, and an air horn. Officers even nudged their Chevy Malibu with an armored vehicle, but that didn't work. When Sandlin came to, police say he tried to drive the car at them and reached for a gun that was on Michael's lap, so they opened fire. This is a diagram of how the car was boxed in by police vehicles.
There were no officers between the Malibu and the Bearcat or the Malibu and the car that was the patrol car that was in front. There is no officer danger at that time.
After Sandlin was shot, police instructed Michael to get out of the car, but officers opened fire again after they say she reached for a gun. This is the gun damaged by police gunfire that was found with DNA on it linked to the couple.
Not one statement can you give me was made that they saw the gun in her hand as if to shoot an officer.
The DA's office released a statement that read in part, "We do want to be clear, the burden of proof for prosecution is high. Our decision does not mean that what happened is right." 5 police officers have been fired from the department, and the city has settled with Michael's family for $5 million. We are live in Inglewood. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
Jeff, thank you. The DA's office also refused to bring charges in a deadly officer-involved shooting in Pasadena from August of 2020. Anthony McClain was a passenger in a car that was stopped for not having a license plate. Officers say he ran from them with his hands near his waist when they opened fire. The coroner revealed he had died from blood loss. The community expressed concern one of the officers knelt on McClain's body, speeding up the bleeding. The DA said since McClain was armed, so the officer's actions were justified. An attorney for the McClain family says the officers should have been charged because McClain was not an imminent danger to them.
Our argument is he never possessed a weapon. His fingerprints were never found on a weapon. In fact, it may have been a belt buckle that was mistaken. So for 2 shots to the back, the officers have no reasonable belief that he can shoot them while running away from the scene.
The attorney wants Gascon's office to reconsider this case. The city settled with McClain's children for $7.5 million.